Good medical morning. This is Watson from World's Greatest Medical, and today we're going to check out the most popular cysts, pimples, and acne of the past year. But before we get started, click that subscribe button and the notification bell for updates. Let's kick it off right about now. Here's Reddit's most popular ear blackhead video. Blackheads are essentially clogged, open pores. This persistent cheek cyst is Dr. Sanjali's most popular clip of the year. Her video had 20 million views in the last year. Wow. Speaking of Dr. Pimple Popper, I'll put an Amazon link below to a set of pimple popper tools, much like the ones she uses. So what's the most popular blackhead video on YouTube? Well, this video had 56 million views in the past 12 months. Amazing. Meanwhile, Boo Boo Plus's How to Remove Acne video is set to hit 25 million views in just 6 months. Incredible. Don't forget about those amazing pimple popper tools, and let's check out some blackhead peel masks.
Skin feels freaking amazing. It's soft. It's like you can feel the pores are like straight. This is good. I like it.
Not bad.